Hi, this is Carmen, and I came in here today to talk to you guys about the two new colors in our stoneware gloss glaze line. Here we have our blue gloss, and here we have our green gloss. These two colors are in addition to the already existing 8-color stoneware gloss glaze palette. We have a dark blue here to complement our bright blue gloss that we already have, and then we have a dark green here to complement our bright green gloss that we already have. If you don't already know about our gloss glazes, they are an excellent way to achieve bright, vibrant, opaque designs at higher fire temperatures. So these glazes are designed for cone 6. They do go up to cone 10 with a mild shift in some of the colors, so make sure you check your label for the cone 10 results. All these glazes are totally intermixable, so you can create your own custom color palette if the 10 colors that we offer as is isn't quite enough. It works great for shading, blending, all over coverage. You can see the sample here has really intricate detail work, and it is even on a curved surface, and all of the colors hold really well with opacity, and they don't move at all when brought up to stoneware temperatures. These glazes, as with all of our stoneware glazes, are food safe, and then these ones are also dinnerware safe when used according to manufacturer's directions. These pieces that we have here have 3 coats of glaze applied. That's what you need to have full opaque coverage, as well as get the gloss finish that these glazes have. And then these gazing balls that we have here, these have 3 coats of the glaze, and then they also have a mother of pearl luster applied on top for an additional firing. That really helps showcase the texture and adds a little bit more variation to the flat, vibrant colors that are created with these gloss glazes. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and check out the rest of our gloss glaze palette, and if you have, go ahead and get these guys to totally complete your set. Thanks for coming in, guys. Bye.